Snooze.
It's snowing. Oh my god. I really want to go out there.
We're already dressed, but no, we can't go.
I want to.
But
Why?
we can't. We can't just obey our parents' orders. Dad said he'll bring us outside in a little bit.
A little bit. It's gonna take way longer.
Oh, wait. You are right. Cause then, when all the snow melts, we gonna have no more snow to play in. And then
Right.
we gonna have to wait a whole another year.
I know. See?
Cause remember, it took 3 years for it to make the snow come, right?
But please, I just really want to go out there and have fun.
Fine. We will only go out there for 3 minutes, okay?
3 minutes? That's trash.
Do you want
At least 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
Do you want Daddy to find out that we're outside?
He ain't gonna know because he's so busy. Whatever you doing in the room.
Do you not see the cameras outside there? One right there, one outside the house, one on the other
I got
side
a
of the
good
house.
idea. They cover with snow.
They are. Okay,
Right?
I see what you're doing.
So cold.
This is literally
This is literally my dream.
Oh my god, this is the most snow I haven't seen in years. Oh my god, it's deep too. And remember, the other snow we had last year or a couple of years ago was like ice. This is real snow, fluffy. Wait, parents, wait, the camera. The camera just has throw snow at it. Paris, I'm gonna go wipe some on it. Oh, okay. Ooh. Yeah, I think I got it. Okay, watch this. Oh, yes.
Yo, watch this one.
What? Oh, that was a lot of fun. What happened? Oh my god. Paris, you did that? What are you doing? That's not starting proper. Yes, cameras are not waterproof, so good for now. But it's time to play, right?
Right.
Let's go make some snow angels.
Look, over here.
Oh my god, it's so much. Parents, come on, do some snow angels with me.
Yo, look inside my shoe.
Oh my god. Look at my hands. Oh my god.
Satisfying. I want to go play. Me too. Dad, Bill. Follow. Go back inside. Fine. If y'all don't let me play outside with y'all, I will tell Daddy.
Fine, but don't use no superpowers.
I can use my superpower, but I can't use my super run. You ever seen snow like this? Now let me see what else I can see.
Balo, don't go too far, okay? We just need to see you.
Yeah.
Paris, after we finish playing in the snow, how about we go inside, make some hot chocolate, make some cookies, and then play Roblox, okay?
Okay.
Because my hands are cold.
Right. But okay. You wanna have a snowman fight?
No. I think we should just finish building.
No, I think we should have a snow fight. Come on.
Balo, what do you think? Balo,
Follow? Hello?
Balo. Did he get lost? No, you know how deep snow can go.
No, actually the pond.
The pond is. What if we fell in the pond? Oh shoot, we're gonna get in trouble. We gotta look for Balo. Paris.
Balo?
Paris, use your superpowers to see if we can find Balo.
Okay. I gotta go run right there real quick. I gotta see.
No, not running. Just you think.
No.
You don't see him?
Nothing.
Oh my god, we're gonna be in so much trouble. If you know how serious this is, that's Daddy's son. You know, Daddy really cares about him. If Daddy finds out that we lost him, we're gonna be in trouble. No, stop running.
We have to look for him.
Vampire!
I've never seen that. Hold on, wait for me.
He's super hot. It's cold outside. I told him this. Give me 10 minutes and I'm gonna come, but I gotta wait till it cool down a little bit. It's gotta warm up. Alright, gonna play a little bit of Roblox. Alright. Sunny, it's gonna get sunny. Y'all just give me a second. I'm gonna come. We gonna go outside and get in the snow. Ooh, he coming. Woo! That was close. Run! Alright, so all I gotta do is make it through the doors. Alright, right here. All I gotta do is play for a little bit longer and wait for my hands to warm up. And then we can go outside and take some pictures in the snow and have a little fun. But until then, give me a second. I know I hear no door open. Alright. Who in there? Ain't nobody. Run. Save yourself. Here you go. Still, you can't see us as long as we paint the right color wall. Look, he run at the people. Just stay still. Woo! That was close. Oh, shoot! Run! Huh. Okay, can't see me. All right, perfect.
Balo, where are you? You lost Balo.
We gotta do something.
Come on, we gotta go tell Daddy, okay?
Okay. Follow?
Come on, jump on the plane.
Yeah, Daddy.
Huh?
Yeah.
Did I what?
Did you?
Wait. There's something wrong. Why y'all got ice on y'all? Huh? I'm confused.
We were just. Daddy, get over here and play with me. Never mind.
Y'all sure y'all want to tell me something? Did y'all go outside already?
No.
Be honest.
No.
Be honest. Did y'all go outside? Y'all went outside. I told y'all just wait for me. That's all y'all had to do was just wait for y'all daddy and we was gonna go outside together. Alright? But now y'all done messed it up. Y'all gotta go clean y'all room. Me and Balo's gonna play Roblox. And y'all been using y'all superpowers. Was Balo using his superpowers?
Yes.
Quick to tell. But what about you? Did you use yours? Did she use her superpowers? Okay, that's cool. I need y'all to go upstairs. We gonna cancel training. I'm gonna play Roblox all day and have fun. But y'all, I'm done. Cause I told y'all to give me a second. So now y'all gotta learn.
It's taking too long.
I understand I was taking too long, baby, but you gotta wait for your parents sometimes, okay? So just go upstairs, learn y'all lesson, chill up there for a little while. I'm not taking the phones away, but now I'm gonna go outside later on and have fun, alright? Just by myself. I might let y'all depend on how good that room looks, alright? Go clean it up, but don't use no superpowers. No superpowers. Time for me to play some robot. Come on, Bala, jump in the plane. Matter of fact, you use your superpowers too. Get off the game. Come on, let's go. I might have all kind of fun. Why they keep using